Hey my good friend, Sam Haymart with TestDrivenTV. Recently we had the chance to test drive the 2023 Honda Civic Type R. Yeah, so it's in the garage. We're going to have a good look under the hood and talk about all of the major technical features and maintenance service points. Under the vented aluminum hood of the 2023 Honda Civic Type R is a more powerful version of Honda's legendary K20C1 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. Horsepower is now up to 315 at 6,500 RPM, and torque 310 pound-feet through a huge window now between 2,600 and 4,000 RPM. Contributing to its increased performance are a new turbocharger intake and exhaust system. With maximum boost of 25.2 psi, the new mono-scroll turbocharger has 10% better intake flow. Direct fuel injection and variable cam timing for both of its chain-driven cams bring ultimate power output to the machine under most any driving condition. With exhaust ports cast directly into the cylinder head, the need for a traditional separate exhaust manifold is eliminated, reducing engine weight and simplifying the assembly. The manifold is liquid-cooled to help keep it in check, reduce emissions, and increase fuel efficiency and power. A new high-flow active exhaust system with straight-through design has an increased flow of 13%. With its signature center-mounted 3-round exhaust outlets, it can run quiet or open up for a loud throaty roar when you put the hammer down. Engine cooling is also improved with the expansion of the grille opening, a larger radiator, and a new large-diameter fan. The larger grille opening also allows for a larger low-restriction intercooler to help bring the intake charge temperatures down. In that way, the intake charge starts at the front of the engine bay, where the intake snorkel seals against the hood to assure fresh, cool air to start with. From there, it travels down into a large diameter throat and into the filter box. You can put your hand in there, but not a really good idea, especially if the engine's running. Once it goes through the filter, it travels through a tube over to the turbocharger mounted high at the front of the engine. From there, it travels through a tube down low to the aforementioned air-to-air intercooler mounted behind the front fascia, then back up to a composite plastic intake manifold at the rear of the engine. Pulling back and over the top of the head with its decorative red cover removed, you can see all 4 spark plug coil packs are easily accessible. Once combustion has taken place, exhaust exits through the turbocharger, which features an electronically controlled wastegate, and then directly down into the catalyst system of the exhaust. Maintenance is relatively straightforward here. Windshield washer fluid can be found at the left side of the engine bay. Engine coolant can be found near the strut tower. The oil filler cap is located on the top of the engine near the left-hand side. The black square-handled oil dipstick just to its right. The oil filter does have to be accessed from below, however. Brake fluid, it can be checked and topped off at the driver's side firewall, where it's expected. Its reservoir is sitting atop a conventional master cylinder and brake booster setup, something increasingly rare in today's world of electronically controlled brake pump systems. That means the pedal feel is still pretty good. The 12-volt battery is just to the right of the brake apparatus and the fuse box just ahead of that. The fuses are easily accessed by popping a couple of clips, and inside the box you'll find included a fuse removal tool. The engine computer is mounted between the fuse box and the 12-volt battery. The ABS controller is also hidden down below on the passenger side of the firewall, although this is usually not user serviceable. Under the hood you'll see a plastic shroud for the vent assembly, which is designed to extract heat from the engine bay while also preventing water spray from pouring in an uncontrolled manner. Pretty slick. Well, there you have it, my friends, a little bit of the tour under the hood of the 2023 Honda Civic Type R. It is a nice little motor. This is a fun car to drive. In fact, we do have a test drive right there of this very car. You can see the full thing and me driving it, having some fun with it. You can also subscribe to TDTV Garage right there and stay informed of all of our tech features. Either way, stay tuned.